Love your sister? Can you give her a kissy kiss?
Uh-oh.
What?
And then Papa Jenna.
Is that your sister? You love her? You love her feet? And her cheeks?
Ouch.
What? She had... What? What hurts? Is she heavy on you?
Uh-oh.
She's smiling. She was smiling at you.
Uh-oh.
It's okay.
Uh-oh.
Okay, it's time.